guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Now, firstly, I'm going to say I have been missing for a hot minute. Yes, I've been MIA. You just have plans sometimes, life gets in the way, and yeah, you get missing. That's what happens. But I'm back. It's 2022, and I can guarantee you that 2022 is going to be greater, far greater than the rest. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a customized glueless wig cap. So I have problems because my head is actually quite small, and I found that when I sewed the wig to the full size of the cap, I would get like waves in the tracks here. It would be too long on the sides. I'd be trying to push that back. It would be gaping in the neck. I was just like annoyed. I was really annoyed. I was getting frustrated wearing my wigs. I just thought I just don't like it. It's just not comfortable. So customizing is the way to go. It will save you at least half a bundle. I noticed I saved half a bundle of hair by customizing to the actual size of the head rather than the size of the wig cap. So let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So I'm going to start here just by showing you just how much excess lace there is. Look at the front, too long, sides too long, and excess in the back, in the nape area also. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut off the crown area of the wig cap. So you'll need some elastic, and you're just going to sew that down to the crown area, just one side of the crown first. So next you want to just put that crown area on your head. You want to measure your elastic just so that it's long enough to make the crown fit snugly, but not too tight. Sorry guys, just had to have a quick boogie to this one. I love this tune. And this is what you should be left with once you've sewn both sides down. So guys, just quickly cut the nape off. You can choose at the end. I will show you how to put it back on, but if you don't want it on, if you don't think you need it, just leave it off. Now at this point, you have three pieces. You've got the top section, you've got the nape, and you have this middle section. You need to cut this middle section in half, and this is how we're going to attach it. Just go to the front of the crown and pin those down. So at this point, we're going to overlap those excess pieces in the middle. Now you are going to be left with a little bit of an overhang, but it doesn't matter. We're going to cut that off. Make sure at this point that it's smooth. It fits the crown perfectly. You don't want any bulges or lumps or anything like that, because this is measured now to the exact size of your head. Okay, so you're just stitching the middle pieces to the crown and creating that overlap that we're going to eventually cut off. So following this, I just do a little bit of extra back stitching at the front where the elastic is, just to make sure that it's properly secured. Moving on from that, I'm going to put my pins in the back section just like this, and I'm going to start sewing straight down the middle. So here is the excess that we need to cut off. Just be really careful when you're cutting this that you don't cut into the cap and you don't cut any of your stitching. Okay, so this is the final step. Just stitch the wig cap down to your elastic. Make sure you stretch the elastic and the cap at the same time, just so that it's perfectly flat and fits your head so very snugly. Now to complete the cap, I just stitched the nape on and that was it, all done. Okay guys, this is the wig cap. Can you see? It's flush in the front, so when I put my frontal on, it's gonna lie flat. At the sides, it's just the right length, not too long. The back here in the nape is just covering the hairline and completely flat. You can see it's completely flat. There's no bumps, lumps anywhere. So it's perfect for my head size. When I come to making my wig, I'll have no problems whatsoever. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. But for now guys, as always, stay tuned and stay blessed.